We're going to take a look at the code behind this simple little global variable example. There isn't anything in the code for this application that's new to you, but I'll go through it quickly again. Remember, we started by creating our properties. So I created a module called global variables, and that is outlined in the previous video. I've added a let1 string variable. Now in the tutorial I also showed you I created a let2 string variable, a num1 integer variable, and a num2 integer variable. For this example, we only need let1 and num1, so I'm just going to go ahead right away here and delete the other two we created for the video example. So my global variable module has two properties, let1 and num1. All right, we'll go back to our window, and on here we have two labels simply giving us some instructions. We're going to enter string information and variable information into these two text fields, and I've left these names just the way they are. This also is text field 3 and text field 4. These two text fields are referred to in this little bit of code right here. So what I'm simply doing is letting the global variable called let1, which is a string, represent the text that's in the text field 1, and our global variable integer called num1, I'm letting it equal the value of what's in text field 2. So the information gets entered, storing that information as the global variables, and then text field 3 and 4 are simply going to be printing that information into those text boxes. Pretty straightforward. This next window button simply shows window 2, and when window 2 gets opened up, we have a little bit of code that's actually in the open event for this window. So we double clicked on this window, I chose open as where my code's going to be, so that's going to run that code as soon as that window is opened onto the screen, and that code is simply letting text field 5 and text field 6, which are on that window, show the information let1 and the string value of num1. So I'll jump back again quickly and go to window 2. So window 2 has those two text boxes, a couple of labels, and another label here telling me what's happening. So when this window opens up, the code is run to show or print the value of the global variables into these two boxes. So it's pretty straightforward. There's no new code here other than the process of creating a module and adding global variables. There's nothing new beyond showing information in text boxes. Okay, there you have it.